children, welcome to EVS class. Children, today we will learn action words. Okay, we have different types of body parts now children. So with that body parts we will do actions. Yes now children. For example, hands. With hands what we will do? We can eat, we can read, write, we can drink water. Yes now children. And legs. For legs, with legs we will do walking, we can jump, we can hop. Yes no? And with our eyes we can see, we can read. Yes no children? These all are action words only. Okay? Today we will learn. Okay children? First, eating. How we will eat children? We will eat with our hands. So eat, act like eating. It acting there. See, this is eating. Now second one, drinking. How we will drink? We will drink with glass, no? So drinking. So do with me, drinking. Running. How we will run? Running. Run. We can run, no? Run. How we can run? We can run. We can run with our legs. Okay? And then sitting. Sitting. How we can sit? Sitting. Standing. Jumping. How we will jump? With our legs. We will jump in the class. Yes. Jumping. And see, dancing. How we will dance? We will dance, no? That is dancing. See, dance. Yes, no? We will dance. And singing. Singing. Reading. For reading, which body part is used children? Here, eyes. We will use eyes for reading and for seeing. So reading. Writing. How we will write? With our hands. Writing. Standing. Swimming. How we will swim? Swimming. Swimming. Kicking. How we will kick? Kicking. That is kicking. Okay? Walking. How we will walk? Walk then do actions. Okay? Then only you will learn these actions. Walking. Climbing. How we will climb? So climbing. Crying. Cry. Crying. Laughing. Ha 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 ha. Laughing. Playing. You will play cricket. You will play football. So playing. Cycling. How are we cycling? Cycling. Catching. We will catch the ball, no? So catching. Pushing. See? Pushing. Smiling. Smiling. Sleeping. Okay children, again we will do. Okay? First, eating. Eating. Drinking. Running. Jumping. Dancing. Singing. Reading. Writing. Standing. Sitting. Swimming. Kicking. Walking. Climbing. Crying. Laughing. Ha ha ha. Playing. Cycling. Catching. Pushing. Smiling. Sleeping. Okay children, practice these action words. Okay. Now I will show you action words in your course book Nana. See children, open your course book Nana. Turn 3. Open page number 4040 and 4141. See, action words are there. See, eating, drinking, running, jumping, dancing, singing, reading, writing, standing, sitting, swimming, kicking, walking, climbing, crying, here laughing, playing, cycling, clapping, skipping. Clapping, Nana, how we will clap? We will clap like this. Yes, no children? Skipping. How we will skip? See, like this. How we will skip? We will skip like this, no children? Yes. Now see. Catching, pushing, smiling, sleeping. Okay, children, practice these action words. Okay, do these action words, Nana. Okay. Children, now we will do a small activity, Nana, in activity book. Okay, we have learned the action words, no children. We will do activity on that action words. Now open your activity book, page number 34. So children, page number 34. Okay, action time. Tick right the things that you can do with your hands. Cross X the things that you can do with your legs. Hands తో చేసే వాటికి రైట్ టిక్ కొట్టాలి, లెగ్స్ తో చేసే వాటికి రాంగ్ కొట్టాలి. ఓకేనా? క్రాస్ ఎక్స్. ఓకే, సో ఈటింగ్ we will do with our hands, right. Cycling we will do with our legs. Writing, hands only, no, right. So children, this boy throwing the ball in the basket, no, goal estunnadu kada, so he is doing with his hand, so right mark. See, skating with legs, he is doing with legs, no children, cross X. Painting how we will do with our hands, no children, tick right. Running, how we will run with our legs, sorry, wrong. Okay, and see, kicking, football, that is legs only, cross X. Completed, children. You also complete in your activity book, Nana. Do this activity. Okay, practice action words, children. Thank you.